Look at this old newspaper. Bandits rob San Francisco Art Museum.
You see, Sam was right about the gangsters.
Yeah, but look at the date, April 10th, 1906.
Oh, no. This whole thing is ancient history. I mean, the boat, the bandits, the jewelry, everything.
Wait a minute. If they robbed an art museum, perhaps the treasure's buried here, and that's the reason the bird gets so upset when he hears the word jewels.
Look, he's digging up something. Look.
Yeah, well, come on, let's help him. Wait a minute, the jewels must be in there.
It's a jewel box, all right.
I can't. I refuse to believe it.
Sam wants a cracker. Sam wants a cracker. Sam wants a cracker. Sam wants a cracker. Sam wants a cracker.
Gilligan, your parrot wants another cracker.
Skipper, I already gave him 15 crackers.
Sam wants a cracker.
And you better make it 16 or we'll never get any sleep.
Okay, Skipper. Sorry, Skipper.
Yes, Gilligan. Gilligan. As soon as you get back in your hammock, that bird's gonna want another cracker. Why don't you give him the whole box so we can both get some sleep?
You're a real smart man, Skipper.
Of course I am, Gilligan.
Well, that was a great idea. That'll keep him quiet.
Of course it will, Gilligan. It just takes a little common sense and logic.
Well, I never would have thought of it.
Gilligan, that's why I'm the skipper, so I can solve the problems as they come up.
Yeah, well, you sure solved that one. Sam's got all the crackers. What else could he want now?
Sam wants a drink of water. Sam wants a drink of water.